Hello, I'm Bernadette Brady and we're looking at week 7 of the Research Methodologies module for the MA in Cultural Astronomy and Astrology, University of Wales, Trinity St David's, just in case you forgot where you were studying. Okay, this week is autoethnography and case studies. Now, autoethnography is a big word, but if you think about what you've been learning about ethnography, which is actually constantly revisiting your informants, participation, observation, etc., autoethnography is constantly visiting yourself, constantly sampling yourself. So it is a almost diary-like reflective process of constantly examining your own reactions to something. And linked with autoethnography is the concept of a case study, where a case study is an examination of one individual interviewing one child or one adult or one situation. And it can be a situation or an individual where you just take one thing and you go in as deep as you possibly can and explore it and unpack it. And you're not going to generalize through to everything else. You're just going to report on what you've found in this little bubble. There's some really interesting papers here. One of them is, if we look at the readings, one of them is Pike, Forging Magical Selves, where Sarah Pike looked at what happened around the nightly fires in neo-pagan festivals here in the UK, and looking at who came to those fires, who danced around those fires, what that meant, how identity was formed by it, interviewing the people who did partake of the dance around those fires. So it's a very, very detailed, penetrating way of focusing on one particular thing. And once again, it's probably too time-consuming for a short research project that you're engaged in, but it's something that you could think about for your master's dissertation or even a PhD, to actually focus on something intensely, going and trying to collect as much information from as many sources about that one thing. So it's a fascinating subject, and things to think about and things to chew on. Always reading is happening. So yeah, this week is autoethnography.